Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch Instagram profile to business account. You can easily convert your personal profile to business account to access the feature that can help grow your business on Instagram. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open your Instagram application and log into your account if necessary. In order to switch your profile to business account, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. From your profile, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner. From the pop-up window at the bottom, tap on Settings, and under Settings, tap on the Account button. On the next page, scroll all the way down and tap on Switch to Professional Account. Tap on Continue. Now, select a category for your business and tap on Done at the bottom of the screen. Now, under Are You a Business? Make sure to tap on the button where it says Business and tap on the next button at the bottom. Review your contact information from this page. Make sure everything's correct. And you can also add in your business address by selecting Business Address option from this page. Enter your street address, your zip code, and tap on Save. After you're done, tap on the next button. You also have an option to not use your contact information as well. Tap on Don't Use My Contact Information at the bottom in order to skip this. Now, you can connect your Facebook page to your Instagram business profile. You can use this profile when creating ads on Facebook. In order to create, tap on Create a New Facebook Page and follow the on-screen process. You can also skip this process by tapping on Don't Connect to a Facebook Page Now at the bottom. And now, you'll need to set up your professional account. Complete the steps displayed on the screen one by one, and you'll be able to switch your Instagram profile to business account. With a business account, you'll be able to access insights that can help you understand who is engaging with your business on Instagram. You can also choose to display or hide your business category and contact information on your profile. Go to Edit Profile from your profile page and tap on Profile Display at the bottom. Choose whether you'd like to hide or display your category level and contact information. To enable, make sure to switch on the toggle. After you're done, tap on the tick mark at the top right one more time and save your changes. That is how you can easily switch Instagram profile to business account quick and easy. That is all for today's video. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.